So I'm Luke Heston. I'm the head of user acquisition here at TickPick. TickPick is a ticket marketplace that operates online. We sell tickets to all live events, sports, music, concerts, festivals, and more. What makes us different is that we pride ourselves on having transparent pricing, no hidden service fees. The price you see is the price you're going to pay on TickPick. So our current marketing mix is paid search, paid social, which consists of heavy TikTok and Instagram and Facebook, as well as affiliate marketing, and then we'll test things like DSPs, influencer marketing, and partnership marketing as well. So we chose to test TV to add validity and reach a net new audience that we likely aren't reaching on a TikTok or an Instagram, for example. Our main KPIs for TV campaigns are increased reach, increased brand awareness, and also lower funnel metrics such as app installs, registrations, and purchases. One of the benefits of TV, and there are a bunch, is it adds a bunch of validity to your brand. It takes your brand to another level, not only with the reach, but just the way people perceive your brand when they see it on TV. Since we've launched on TV, we've seen that it also has some great lower funnel results. And we see that through things like our post-checkout survey, and also through Tatari's analytics, where we're able to see through spike analysis that people are watching our spots and then converting, whether it be an app install, a registration, or even a purchase. We also look at the Tatari platform to understand incremental installs, website visits, and purchases coming from our TV spots. We launched TV as a way to test both linear and streaming. Currently, it's been close to 60-40 linear versus streaming. During our pilot, we've tested a wide variety of different publishers and networks to better understand where that target audience is for us. A big win for us on the linear side was we were able to get a spot during the Cowboys-Lions game at the end of the NFL season, where we were able to see an immediate incremental impact on the install and website visit side. On the streaming side, we've seen some huge success with both Paramount Plus and Hulu. We were able to layer on sports interest targeting to both of those streaming platforms and saw immediate jumps in incremental installs and website visits. When it comes to creative, we initially launched with 2 brand assets as a way to reach a mass audience. And we just recently launched a DR spot that focuses more on our product and our value props. And we're hoping it can drive some more lower funnel actions. Our favorite feature in the Tatari platform is the reporting and the ability to see performance at the network and even the show level. It's something that our executive team loves to see, and then it helps us optimize towards better media buying in the future. Tatari has really been like an extension of our team. They make it extremely easy to buy TV, which if it's your first time, can seem a bit scary. The client services team is incredible. The platform is super easy to navigate, tons of great insights. And Tatari team is always bringing you deals where they think your audience might be. So nothing but great things to say about Tatari.